So here are the assignments for this week in English 099 and English 101. So just sign into Blackboard. Again, if you just rely on the activity stream, you're going to just be inundated with all of your courses all together. It's not a bad idea to check the activity stream, but to really stay on top of what you need to do for your specific courses, English 099 and 101 particularly, make sure you click in those courses and see what's due when. So what is due on Monday, September 20th is a quiz on introductions and conclusions. This one is 6.5 minutes. To access the quiz, of course, just click on the video itself. It's going to do this for a moment. So it looks like it's not starting, but click it a second time. Do check out the preview of all the questions. See if you can answer those questions before you even take the quiz. For this one, there are 12 questions. So when you are ready to go back to the quiz itself, click Content again in the upper left to access Blackboard again. And then click Continue, and the quiz will start. So that is for Monday, September 20th. Then you'll have something due Tuesday in English 101. So what is due Tuesday is September 21st, is your final revision of the essay, the career comparison essay you've been working on. You will submit that to the red link here. You also have to submit the feedback you got from Upswing and 2 comments from your understanding of what the tutor recommended that you do. I want 2 things that you found the most helpful. You're going to write that in the comments box. So when you click this to upload, you will see a comments box there. I have already uploaded in that section. So your comments will appear here, and there should be 2 sentences. I put a screenshot of what the comments box looks like. So when you click the upload link and you hit browse local files to upload, or you drag from below to drop the upload into the box, scroll down and find the comments box where it says add comments here, then type 2 sentences saying the 2 things I found most helpful are, and here's how I'm going to apply them in my writing in the future. So that's what I want you to do. That assignment should be the 20 easiest points you get, not the 20th points. Anyway, here's a video that demonstrates how to access your feedback and how to do the uploading. So that's for Tuesday. Then I go back to my 099 class and see what is due on Wednesday. What's due on Wednesday the 22nd? It's another quiz. So this is a quiz on how to do the working thesis and works cited for the next essay. So continue to do all of your assignments in order because I don't want you to get confused. Oh, I'm always telling you guys to scroll down, and I just told you about 2 assignments that you have because usually you don't have more than 2 assignments in any one class. But let's go back and look at, where is it? Tuesday, September 21st. You actually have 3 things. You're going to submit your Upswing feedback with your comments. You're going to submit your career comparison final revision. Then you're going to take a quiz on the argumentation essay that's coming up so that you can understand all the different parts of the essay. So when you're doing your research, you kind of understand what kind of articles you're looking for and why. You need 2 articles that agree with you and 1 that disagrees with you, and that will be explained more as you take the video quiz and you do that one the same way. So back to 099 for Wednesday, it's really just the quiz and some reminders of how to know what's due when, and how to access your feedback on all of your assignments so that you know how to continue to improve your scores on all of your assignments. So definitely read your feedback. So after you've done your Wednesday activity for 099, you'll go back to English 101 and find your Thursday deadline. So what's due Thursday? Whew, after all that work on Tuesday, it's kind of nice that Thursday you just have this. Okay, you're going to be doing your research for your argumentation essay. Okay, and choosing a topic. So go ahead and do all of those things, and don't forget to turn in certainly the finished revision of your career comparison. But do email me through my Wallace State email if you have any trouble finding anything or need any help or have any questions. All right, thanks. Have a good week.